I'm gonna walk you guys through what I think of as my basic clothing kit. Now, this is kind of specific to Western hunting, but to be honest with you, it doesn't matter where I go, what I'm doing. These are the items that I always grab. I'll add other stuff, like I might add some puffy pants depending on temperature, but this is like, first thing I do, this goes in my duffel bag when I'm headed out hunting. Start out with, got WICK boot top bottoms. I really can't imagine a situation, no matter how warm it's supposed to be, where I don't grab a pair of these, because I also like to sleep in them. So when I climb in my sleeping bag at night, I'll pull my outer pants off, and even if I'm not wearing these during the day, I'll slip these on. My favorite go-to pant by far, like for everything in the world, OBSIDIAN pants. Just they're durable, extremely comfortable in a wide variety of situations. They dry fast. I'll say it again, comfortable. I just love them, wear them all the time. On top, I start out with a Fuse Crew. I usually have this on no matter what. Even when it gets sweltering hot, roll up the sleeves in this thing, pull them up, and you're just fine hiking around, backpacking. It's a great shirt. On top of that, I do the KLAMATH hoodie, and I'll spend a lot of days, man, in anything from, it might be 75 degrees, it might be 35 degrees. I spend a lot of days and cover my whole day in the KLAMATH and the Fuse Crew. What I do like for a go-to grab jacket is the Catalyst. I wear this thing all the time. I like it because it's got some stretch, durability, real freedom of movement. And I'm telling you, man, this thing has been, from this top to bottom and side to side, this thing has been everywhere in the country. Love it, always grab it. It's just such a comfortable, great hunting piece of hunting apparel. And kind of a little sleeper item that is super important to me, but people might not pay much attention to, just the neck gaiter. I wear this thing all the time because, one, just like this, is great for added warmth. I wear it oftentimes, I'll pull it up and it's just like a goofy little hat that I like to have on. I wear it for face camo quite often, like this. And then an added thing is, you know, those late morning, midday naps, or hunting in Alaska in August when it's just light all the time and it's hard to sleep. I'll sleep with this thing around my eyes just to block out the sun or block out the light, and I sleep better. So it's just something that I've grown to kind of love and rely on, and I always have it with me. I'll be fishing in 2 days for a week, sun protection when I'm fishing.